Yeah. Ooh, what's coming out?
It's fleeing.
But you guys, what did you catch?
What does it look like?
Wow.
It's a fucking big one, huh?
Yeah. Now we're
Edgar,
now.
baby! It's fighting! It's pretty strong also, huh?
And this is for swimming birds.
Yeah. Yeah, they bought crab nets today, and we are in the harbor sleeping. So, and now we eat like this really good mussels. Yeah, mussels. And now Roy took this. And Edgar,
Look, it's still
unbelievable.
talking, listen.
But watch my hands. No, don't do that, Roy. It just bit Roy in the ass. That was quite funny. Oh, the other one is holding the other one.
So now we're gonna...
But Edgar, do you know how to make them? No, don't do that.
No, fuck you! No! I'm gonna get you cojones! Oh, fuck you!
But what, Edgar, do you know how to make them?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Just boiled water.
You gonna cook them now?
Yeah, I put in the water now.
You don't
You
wanna
wanna eat?
You don't wanna eat them now?
No. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? But how do we kill them? Oh, look how big he looks like now. It's perfect.
Now you're scared, huh?
Mm. Oh, there he goes. No, don't do that. Ew. He's got.
He can only turn his back.
Did he took your?
Got left bone?
What happened?
He bit you?
Se me enterró aquí.
Yeah, he's strong. This one is fucking strong.
Did he bite?
Oh shit.
Are you?
Oh yeah?
Me picó.
Well, we slapen dus hier. Dat is echt heel grappig. Gewoon twee vennetjes. Leergie. En voor de rest, nou, vrij weinig om ons heen. En in de harbor. Echt heel grappig.